Hello YouTube, Krosama, and here we have the high-grade Universal Century Blue Destiny Unit 3 exam. Now I know there was an old high-grade Blue Destiny Unit 3. Never built it, never even seen it before, but this is actually really awesome that I get to build this one. Now I have the Unit 2 right here, which phenomenal kit. I really like it. There's some very minor issues, mainly with the ankle pivots, but once I get into the review for this, then you'll go ahead and kind of know that these two are pretty much going to be identical. So for both of these reviews I'm going to be doing, I get to do actually a comparison. Yay. Okay, so looking just at the front cover of this box, I think it's really awesome. I love the way the Blue Destiny Unit 3 looks. I mean, I love the Unit 2 one, I love the Unit 1. So all of them, Blue Destiny, amazing suits. Now, as you can see here, it is from the Mobile Suit Gundam side story of the Blue Destiny. I think there was a video game, but I never actually played that one. And you get to see the Blue Destiny Unit 2 kind of just dashing. I'm just going to go on a guess and say that they're pretty much enemies. Alright, looking at the sides, pretty much a front and rear view. Doesn't seem that there's really much difference with this one in Unit 2, aside from, I would say, the shield, but we'll go ahead and see a little bit later on. And right here you just see some action poses, some nice little things. You actually see where the beam sabers are stored, which is really cool. And you see the markings. The head can also be interchanged as far as the eyes, with the red eyes as well as the green eyes. Then it also comes with this nice little twin beam cannon. I think that's pretty awesome, and this is pretty much what I'm going to be using primarily. This is number 209 in the high grade Universal Century line. And here on the side you see a quick little bio of the Unit 3. If you want to go ahead and pause it and read it, be my guest. This kit does retail for 1,600 yen, which is an amazing price. And being in the beloved country of Japan, I got it for actually about 1,380 yen, which is a pretty good discount. Okay, the first runner we're looking at is going to be runner A1. Pretty much going to be legs and a little backpack. It's a nice little, it's like a very dark blue or maybe a black. Actually, it kind of looks more like blue, but you know, I'll go ahead and let y'all be the judge. And then it also has yellow up here for the V-fin. Looks like that's going to be the sensor for, or not the sensor, but the wow, can't really think of right now. The sight for the rifle it's going to come with. And here you have A2, which is more of the navy blue for the shield, as well as the chest and backpack. And here you have B1 and B2 for much nice white and red, and a little bit of the inner frame for the thrusters. Looks like maybe some parts for the chest right here, but looks really nice. And then you're going to see the two eyes, one green and one red. That's going to be for the eyes. And that's pretty much it for the B runners. Now you also get runner C1 and C2. This is going to be most of your inner frame parts, as well as for the hands, weapons, and the shield. Runner D here for the shield, the head, the weapon. Looks like maybe some parts for the, I think it's the leg if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, actually that's the forearm right there below the head. And lastly, you're going to get runner E. This is going to be most of the stuff for the weapon, as well maybe some little parts here for the thrusters and for the waist. You do get some poly caps included as well. 2 beam sabers, and then 2 sticker sheets. One pretty much just to you know, for the eyes and all the different colors on the kit, and the other one's gonna be the markings, pretty much the Earth Federation Force and the Unit 3 right there. This also comes with some little advertising for the Gundam base right here, showing you the kits that you can buy, and I really do want to buy a couple of these. And on the back it just shows kind of like the location and pretty much all the stuff that is included in the Gundam base. Lastly, looking at the manual, front, you know, pretty much generic as far as all Universal Century manuals. And on the inside, you get a nice, it actually has color on this side right here, which pretty much most at the end of the manual, most kits do have. But pretty much going to have all the information right here. And on the back, they usually have poses, but I don't see any of that in here. But on this side, I guess you get one little dynamic pose right there, and it kind of just has a whole bunch of information for the exam system, as well as everything else, and then the color template. Well, that's going to be it, guys, for the unboxing. So just stay tuned for me building this. I'm probably going to do a little live stream just to kind of, you know, show you how the build process. But other than that, stay tuned for the review. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.